This is section 7.3, more multiplication properties of exponents. Problem 4, the got it, on page 435. What is the simplified form of each expression? Part A says, in parentheses, x to the negative 2 power raised to the second power. And in the second set of parentheses, 3xy to the fifth power, all raised to the fourth power. Again, the exponent goes with only its own parentheses, but with everything inside those parentheses. So the x to the negative 2 raised to the second power, power to a power, we're going to multiply that negative 2 and 2. In the second set of parentheses, that 4 has to get distributed to everything, including the coefficient. So the 3 gets the fourth power, the x gets the fourth power, and the y to the fifth gets raised to the fourth power. Power to a power we multiply. So x to the negative 2 times 2 is x to the negative fourth. 3 to the fourth power is 81. X to the fourth, y to the 5 times 4 is 20. Now we need to combine our like terms. X to the fourth times x to the negative fourth. We add the exponents when we have two of the same base. So 4 plus negative 4 is 0, which means the x goes away. So 81 y to the 20th is our answer. Part B, 3c to the 5 halves, all raised to the fourth power, and c squared raised to the third power. Now that 4 is going to go with its set of parentheses, but it has to also go to the coefficient, has to go to everything. So 3 to the fourth power, c to the 5 halves raised to the fourth, we're going to multiply 5 halves times 4. In the second set of parentheses, we have c squared to the third power, so 2 to the third power, that'd be c squared to the third power. So power to a power we multiply, so c to the 2 times 3. 3 to the fourth, we already said that was 81. C to the 5 halves times 4. 5 halves times 4 over 1 is 20 over 2, which is 10. And c to the 2 times 3 would be c to the 6th. Combine our like terms. When you have two bases, you add the exponents, so it's 10 plus 6, c to the 16th times 81. Part C, you have a 6ab in parentheses, all raised to the third power. And you have a 5a to the negative 3, both raised to the second power. So the 6, the a, and the b all get that third power. The 5 gets the squared, as well as the a to the negative 3 raised to the second power. Power to a power, you multiply. So 6 to the third is 216. A to the third, b to the third. 5 squared is 25. A to the negative 3 times 2 gives you negative 6. Combine our like terms, so 25 times 216 is 5,400. A to the third and a to the negative 6, 3 plus negative 6 is negative 3. And b to the third, it's the only b, so we leave it alone. However, we don't like to write negative exponents, so a to the negative 3 goes to the denominator and becomes a to the third.